Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to translate the text written in English into other languages. That means whenever you type any text in MS Word that may be in English, and after typing that text you want to translate it in another language. So we will see how can we do this. Here we will learn the text written in English can be translated in Hindi, in Gujarati, in Bangla, etc. So first of all, you open MS Word document. You can see this is my document, and here I have typed about Photoshop. The language of my content, my document is English, and I want to translate this text in Hindi. Okay, so this is very simple. For this, first of all, you go in review tab. After that, you will see a translate option. Okay, this option is used to translate the text content into some different language. So click on translate option, click on choose translation language. After that, you select translate from. So our text is in English, so we will select English. In which language you want to translate it. Suppose here I want to translate it in Hindi, then I will select Hindi. After that, click on OK. Now again you go to the translate option and translate document English to Hindi. Select the first option. A dialog box will appear. Click on OK. The browser will open because the translation will take place online mode, so you must have internet connection in your system while you translate the text from English to Hindi or some other different language. Okay, you can see the content of my document has been translated to Hindi. You can read it. This is quite same as my content in my document. So now you copy this and open your document and just you paste it. Okay, here you can paste it. So what you see here, your content has been translated in other language. Okay, so now we are going to translate our content in Gujarati. So let us see. Okay, click the go to the choose translation language. Here translate to select Bangla. Here you can see Bangla. Gujarati is also given here. So look for the Gujarati. Gujarati is given here. Okay. Here is one option, translate the selected text. So it will translate only the selected text. Okay. For this process, I had already told you require the online connection. Okay, clear? Now wait for few moment. Here you can see, here you select the Gujarati. Okay, now your text will be converted in Gujarati. You can see here, or you can go to the online mode. Okay, now see, your text has been translated in Gujarati. So what you see here, whole document has been translated in Gujarati. So you copy it and open the MS Word document and paste it. Clear? In this way you can translate the content of your document from one language to another language. So keep watching my YouTube channel, like, subscribe and share it. Thanks.